Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. Here is a quick introduction of the UVC86. The UVC86 is a USB camera certified by the Microsoft teams. It is a 4K dual-eye smart tracking camera. As users have different requirements in different scenarios, we have set up 3 different features for users to choose from: presenter tracking, auto-framing, and speaker tracking. With these features, the UVC86 delivers face-to-face, intelligent, and smooth video experience by precisely reproducing every moment in detail, and always shows the best view of your room. Presenter tracking mode. Presenter tracking mode is a perfect solution for education scenarios or when you need to give a presentation.
Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. In online education or lecture scenarios, we may encounter a challenge that the teachers or speaker's movement may be limited by camera. The presenter tracking mode of the UVC86 can effectively solve this issue. This mode is extremely good fit for educational scenario or when you need to give a presentation. In this mode, the UVC86 can always track the presenter, which is me, no matter whether I'm standing, walking, delivering a speech, or being quiet. It can always track accurately, quickly, and show participants the best viewing angle of the presenter.
Auto-framing mode. Let's use the auto-framing mode of the camera now.
Hello everyone, could you please come in?
As you can see, the AI camera identifies the number of people in the room and adopts the optimal frame to include everyone in the room. Let's see what happens when more people enter the room during a meeting. As you can see, the camera reacts quickly to adapt to the changes in the room. Speaker tracking mode. Let's try using the speaker tracking feature now. The camera supports voice print recognition. When a person is speaking in a meeting, the camera is able to identify the speaker and zoom in on him or her.
Hello everyone, this is Sean. Thanks for joining us to test speaker tracking mode. Let's see how actually it works.
Hi, this is Zoe. With speaker tracking, the meeting view frames the presenters in real-time close-up, ensuring attendees are well engaged.
Hello everyone, this is Fen. The camera supports voice print recognition, so the camera will be able to identify speakers in meetings and zoom in on me.
And when I start to talk, the camera will react quickly and zoom into me.
That's all we'd like to share today about our UVC86. Thanks for watching. We are dedicated to developing more meeting devices for various scenarios and serving more industries. See you next time.
Thank you.